sort them out. Okay. No, Charlie, just hold it still.
I'm trying. Just sitting. Sitting.
Yeah, it takes a little while.
This kid's got it. I heard some fireworks. What's that smell? Oh, it's just a cigarette thing. Why have I got to be quiet? Is mine done? Alex, where's Alex's?
Hold it. Hold it.
Stand away a bit, Charlie, so I can actually see
hold
you.
it down there on the metal. That's it. Hold it tight.
Oh!
What's that?
Hold it tight.
Mum, look up.
Is that good, Alex?
Yeah.
Show Mummy. Wow.
Where all these snowflakes coming from?
Don't walk around. No, 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 no. You'll burn the decking.
Up.
Wow.
You can move it. Mine is red.
No, 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 Alex. You're going to flick it on your face.
No, not on the floor.
I will wipe my name. Wow, look. Oh no. Don't get it near. Don't get it near to mine.
Alex.
Look, I can do circles.
Yeah. What have you got, Alex? Sparkler.
Yeah.
You say sparkler.
Oh, yeah. Mine's getting smaller.
All done.
Oh, mine's all done.
There's some more in a minute.
The fireworks first.
It's all burnt.
Yeah, don't touch it, Charlie. It's hot.
Oh, look, Alex, this is coming down.
Oh, Alex has
No,
dropped
no,
it.
it's broken, that's fine. No, let go. That's it, you're holding it at the wrong end.
Look.
Yeah, it's good at 31.
Wow.
That's good.
Wow, was that good? Oh, didn't you like the bow?
Do you like it?
No. I didn't like it. No.
We've got 4 more.
Hold on.
We've got some more.
Do you want to watch them inside?
No.
We'll go inside.
No.
You in?
You're not supposed to be filming us. You're supposed to be filming the fireworks.
I am filming the fireworks.
You're filming us instead.
Alex isn't even.
Last one.